Today's topic is very useful. How Americans start conversations without feeling awkward.
Yes, many English learners feel nervous when starting a conversation.
They think, what should I say first?
But in America, starting a conversation is actually very simple.
Before we start, please comment, I feel nervous starting conversations, or I feel confident.
And don't forget, like, comment, share.
Part 1. Why people feel awkward. John, why do learners feel awkward?
Good question. People feel awkward because they think too much. They worry about mistakes. They don't know what to say first. They speak too directly.
Yes, but in real life, Americans are very relaxed.
They don't expect perfect English, just friendly English.
Part 2. The secret rule of American small talk. John, what is the secret?
The secret is simple. Don't try to be perfect. Just try to be friendly.
Yes, that's it. Even a small sentence is enough. Hi, how's it going? Nice day today.
Part 3. 5 easy ways Americans start conversations. 1. Comment on the situation. Americans often talk about what is happening now. Example, nice weather today. It's busy here. This place is crowded.
2. Simple greeting. Very easy start. Hi, how are you? Hey, what's up? Hello.
3. Ask about place or activity. Example, do you come here often? Is this your first time here? What are you working on?
4. Ask simple personal questions. Example, where are you from? What do you do? Do you live nearby?
5. Funny or light comment. Example, I need coffee today. This traffic is crazy. Too many people today.
Part 4. Real conversation example. Let's practice a real situation.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
Thanks, it's really busy today.
Yes, I think everyone needs coffee.
Haha, yes. Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every weekend.
Nice, I'm new here.
Part 5. Real conversation example. Another example.
Hi, do you know when the bus comes?
Usually in 10 minutes.
Thanks. Are you going downtown?
Yes, I'm going to work.
Oh, nice. I'm also going that way. Part 6. Funny story.
Lily,
I have a funny story.
tell me.
One time, I wanted to start a conversation. So I said, nice weather. And the person said, yes. Then, silence. Forever. I didn't know what to say next.
I have one too. Someone smiled at me and said, how's it going? And I said, going where?
No.
Part 8. How to never feel awkward again. Tip 1. Add one extra sentence. Don't stop at hi. Add, hi, how are you? Nice day today. Tip 2. Ask a question back. This is very important. Always ask, how about you? Tip 3. Use simple English. Short equals natural. Tip 4. Smile and relax. Smile makes everything easier. Tip 5. Don't fear silence. Small silence is okay. Americans don't panic.
Part 9. Practice section. Repeat after me. Hi, how are you?
Nice weather today.
Do you come here often?
How about you?
Part 10. Longer conversation practice. Let's try a full natural conversation. Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, please sit.
Thanks. It's really quiet here today.
Yes, much better than yesterday.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I like this place.
Nice. I just moved here.
Oh, welcome.
Part 11. Encouragement. Dear learners, starting conversations is a skill. Yes, and you get better every day.
Don't wait for perfect English.
Start with simple words.
Summary. Today we learned why people feel awkward, 5 easy ways to start conversations, real-life examples, useful tips, how to stay confident. And remember, be friendly, not perfect. Thank you so much for listening. We hope you feel more confident now. Please don't forget, like, comment your biggest fear in English, share. See you next time.